What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I always do.
What do you do next?
I brush and wash my face.
Do you eat breakfast early?
Yes, around 8.
What do you eat usually?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea every morning.
When do you go out?
I leave home at 9.
Where do you go daily?
I go to my office.
Do you walk or drive?
I take the bus.
What do you do at work?
I check emails and attend meetings.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, at 1 o'clock.
What do you eat for lunch?
Mostly rice or sandwiches.
Do you work all afternoon?
Yes, until 5 in the evening.
What time do you come back?
I reach home around 6.
Do you rest after work?
Yes, I rest for a while.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
What shows do you like?
I like comedy and news.
Do you go outside at night?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Do you meet friends daily?
Not daily, just weekends.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help with dishes.
Who cooks dinner?
My mom cooks every night.
Do you eat with family?
Yes, we all eat together.
What time is dinner?
Mostly at 8:30.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, after dinner I scroll.
Do you study at night?
Sometimes I read books.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, around 10.
What do you do on Sunday?
I clean my room and relax.
Do you visit relatives?
Yes, sometimes on Sundays.
Do you wash your clothes?
Yes, every Saturday.
Do you iron your clothes?
Yes, before going out.
Do you take a shower daily?
Yes, in the morning.
Do you exercise too?
Yes, a little stretching.
Do you use social media?
Yes, mostly Instagram.
Do you reply to messages?
Yes, before sleeping.
Do you charge your phone?
Yes, I charge it at night.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, short stories or quotes.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30.
Do you keep alarm on?
Yes, for 7 a.m.
Do you dream often?
Yes, sometimes funny dreams.
Do you feel tired daily?
Only after long meetings.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, small breaks at work.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to stay hydrated.
Do you like your routine?
Yes, it keeps me balanced.
Would you change anything?
Yes, I want more free time.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I write a to-do list.
Do you cook sometimes?
Yes, on Sundays or holidays.
What time do you relax?
Evening time is my chill time.
Do you enjoy your routine?
Yes, it feels good and easy.